Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have a surprise, a box unboxing of a gift from, I guess, one of my friends or YouTube subscribers. So let's see what is this and who is it from. I'm really interested and excited to unbox this. Let's see who is it from. We're gonna open it now. Wait. How do they open it? From here, I guess. And okay. Yay, we got it. Interesting already. I just received this. I was going out to put some gas in my car and mailman from the Amazon stopped me. Wow, how interesting, how nice. There is a card here. Let's see what it says. Look at the card, so cute. Wow. Dear Victoria, have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May all your dreams come true. Love, your Padrushka. I knew it. My Padrushka had sent it to me. My dearest Yelena. Her channel name is called My Frugal Life, and I'll put the link below this video in the description box. Please check it out and subscribe. From Yelena Lopko. Thank you so much, dear Yelenushka. Thanks a lot. It looks so cute. Look at this. Wow. Oh, large. It's really large. Look at that. It's like Santa Claus's or Ded Moroz's large gift. Let me put this box away and let's start unboxing this. Sorry for my looks. I am sick. I'm sneezing and coughing all the time. So let's open it. Ta-da! And taking out the paper. Looks interesting. Let's see. Ooh, another box. I'm gonna keep this for sure for my future DIYs, I guess. Another paper. Oh, look at this. How cute. I like it. I love the box. I just don't like opening this part. It's so kind of difficult to unscotch this round scotchy ones. Where did I put that knife? Okay, here. Okay, let's see. Ta-da! Do you see it? Wow, it smells so cute. Even with my nose that I can't breathe, I can still smell. It smells so nice. Keep your gift a surprise. Unwrap your present before opening this envelope. Oh, okay, so the envelope is at the end. Let's open it. Woohoo! What is it? Candle? Soap. Is it soap? What is this? Have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Another card. Thank you so much. Oh, I know. It's cedarwood and fir scented candle. So cool. Ow. How do I take it out? How do you take it out? Okay, let me show you first before I take it out. Look how cute it is. So nice. Oh, I got it. These are bath bombs. I think these are bath bombs because they don't have the candle thing. Yeah, these are bath bombs. Cool. Thank you so much, Yelena. I love my gift. Look. So cool. And a Christmas tree. You hold it from here. And ta-da! I'm gonna drink coffee with this. Armenian coffee. And I'm gonna use the candle. If I can take it out from here, I'll use it. Oh, got it out. Let's see. La 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 la. I cannot open this thing. Seriousness is the key here. Seriousness is the key here. I cannot keep seriousness because I cannot open a simple candle. Okay, got it. Look. Oh, it smells so cool. One of my most favorite scents. Don't look, I don't have makeup on my eyes. Smells so cool. Now I know how is it called. It's called, what was the name? Cedarwood and Fir. That's how it smells. It smells like a male perfume, which is one of my favorites. Usually Bed and Bath or whatever it's called, they have this, they carry this type of scent. So cool. I'm gonna light it tonight. On Christmas night, I will light it. I'm scared to put it back because if I put, I cannot take it out. So I'm gonna leave it out. I think, is there anything else besides this? Maybe. I wasn't wrong. I was right. I have more gifts here. Look. The plate. Ta-da! What does it say? Warm wishes. Thank you. Warm wishes to you and your family as well. And a cutest spoon for me to mix my hot chocolate or coffee. Look. Nice looking spoon. Like a tree branch. So cool. Thank you so much, Yelenachka. I love my gifts. Very pretty and very thoughtful of you. I love all these things because I'm gonna use this for my morning or evening coffee slash tea slash hot chocolate. And I'm gonna use this spoon with it. Bam, 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 bam. Like that. I know now Gabby is gonna laugh because of my crazy things I'm doing here. But that's fine. I'm used to kids laughing at my actions. So, too bad I tore apart. Is it okay? I tore apart the box. Crazy Victoria. Why did you do that? I don't want to leave it out so the scent doesn't evaporate. Let's keep it close. Okay, I'm gonna keep this here. Well, I decided to put it back so it doesn't evaporate the scent, but thank you so much. Now we're gonna read that envelope note. What was it saying? A gift for you. Send a thank you note. So it's a gift receipt plus probably some coupon. Christmas gift box. Xmas relaxing spa gift baskets for women. Holiday bath bombs, coffee mug, scented candle, and personal ... That's nice. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. And now, because you did a surprise gift for me, I'm gonna send you your gifts and hope you do unboxing as well on your channel, Yelenachka. Let's go ahead and do unboxing on both sides, on both of our channels. Now, let me show you some of my DIYs that I managed to make before the Christmas because I got sick and for a couple of days I was having a very bad cough, sneezing. Today I'm feeling kind of better. Maybe it's because I got the gift and it made me more high-spirited and more excited. So I hope that it brought some smile to your face and hope you like it. Don't look at my face that often because I look not so well because of my illness, but let me turn the camera towards my DIYs. And Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Now let's go ahead and look at the DIYs that I made for you. Also, don't forget to check Yelena's channel, which is called My Frugal Life, and see what did I send to her and her family members. Hope you like my gifts as well, dear Yelena, and hope our subscribers get united and make us have more happiness in 2023. Please like Yelena's video and subscribe to her channel if you are not subscribed yet. She is sharing lots and lots of tips for financial freedom and for saving during the hardship and during the financial crisis times. Thanks for staying with me till this moment, and hope you enjoy your Christmas and your new year of 2023. Dear viewers and dear visitors of my channel, if this was your first visit, please don't forget to subscribe. The button is below, and click on that small notification bell, as well as share this video with your friends. Make them smile or laugh, and come back for more. Have a wonderful new year, dear friends. And don't forget to put your thumbs up in case you like this video. Bye bye everyone. See you in 2023.